Remember, choosing the right features of your house truly feel like home. So, ano nga ba ang dapat i-consider? Number 1, type of the house. So, ano ba ang gusto mo? Bungalow ba? Two-story, townhouse, or condo? So, depende pa rin yan sa lifestyle and syempre sa budget mo. Next is number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Family size matters, especially kung may mga kids ka or may plano kang mag-extend in the future, siguraduhin mo na sapat yung mga rooms ng bahay na bibilhin mo. Number 3 is the lot or floor area. Make sure na alam mo yung size na gusto mo sa bahay. Next one is the layout and design. You also have to consider that gusto mo ba open plan layout or yung mga may wall partition? Sa design naman, gusto mo ba yung modern, minimalist, o yung mga luxury finish? Depende pa rin yan kung ano yung lifestyle mo and saan ka mas komportable. So, next one is yung amenities. Ito naman, kapag may budget ka, i-consider mo to, especially yung mga other property features ng bahay, like yung swimming pool. Kung gusto mo ng may swimming pool, may jacuzzi, may extra room for gym room, entertainment area. Okay, so last is the furnishing and appliances. So, dito, gusto mo ba unfurnished? Walang mga gamit. Furnished, may mga gamit, or semi-furnished, may mga iilan na gamit. So guys, ngayon alam mo na ang property features na kailangan mo i-consider